I will show you how I made this new studio by myself.
Hey guys, どうも七瀬アリー座です。Thank you for watching my videos. Today, I bought some stuffs at the 100 yen shop and also the 300 yen shop. So I will introduce about those products. I'm tired of this background, so I will make my studio renewal by products which I bought today. But at first, I show you guys the product which I bought at the 100 yen shop.
There are few kinds of 100 yen shops in Japan, but in this time, I went to buy at Seria. This is a wallpaper for remaking. It's a sticker type, so really easy to use it. I chose this one because it looks like Victoria's Secret store and I love it. I bought 6 of them, but it cost just 600 yen. This is a wrapping sheet. I bought this not for wrapping, but for background of taking pictures. I'm sure everything looks great on this. Same reason to buy this reversible wrapping paper. I can use this like this. How is it? It looks pretty, isn't it? I bought this dream catcher. It's so cute and I want to catch my dreams too. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be fit on my studio. I bought this table cover. Feather design is pretty and I thought it's good background like this. But there is fold lines, so it might not good to use for taking pictures. I couldn't help buying these little cute eggs. It's for Easter, but I'd like to use it for my studio. Also, I think this gonna be fit with eggs, so bought this one too. Actually, I don't know how this called even in Japanese. Could you tell me if you know this? Since I didn't have glue, I bought this one too. Hopefully it works. Next, I bought some products at the 300 yen shop, which is called Mikazuki Momoko. This is a glass holder, which I can put little things in. Also, this is a room fragrance. And this is for the window, but I'll use it as another way. I bought this one and it's my favorite one. So let's start. At first, I use this wallpaper. It's a sticker, so it's not so difficult, but just tried to do by myself. It's a little bit difficult. Done. Next, I put this on the shelf. And also this dream catcher. I put eggs here. And I cut paper, wrapping paper, and put like this. And I use this one. And I had this one, so I used this one on the wall. And I just taped on the shelf like this. done!
So, do you like my new studio? For me, it took time a little bit, but it was so fun. It doesn't expensive. Maybe there are too much stuff in it, but still, I really like that. It's better than before. It's more a gallery, I think. What do you think? It depends on the season. I can change it too, so it's more fun. So in Japan, it doesn't take us so much cost. I just cannot wait to shoot new videos with my new background. See ya!
結構動画にすると短いんですけど2時間以上かかりましたね。2回ぐらい物が足りなくて買いに行ったりとかね、なんだかんだあったんですけど、お気に入りのスタジオができました。みんなも挑戦してみてね。Twitter、Instagram もよろしくね。